Hello everyone, welcome to Conceptual Learning. Today I'm going to talk about very important document for Chevening Scholarship, that is how to write an essay. Okay, this is a fully funded scholarship and I have already talked about how do you apply for this scholarship in my previous video. Now let's have a look in more detail about the essay writing tips. Okay. Well, if you go to the website, which I have already shared the link in my descriptions, it is clearly written that you cannot use AI generated text. Okay, so please avoid to use ChatGPT or any AI based tool to write your essay, because if you are doing this, it is clearly written in the website that they are going to reject you, because they have some softwares that detects that if it is written by yourself or by any AI based tool. Okay, let's look into the website what they are talking about this. So this is official Chevening Scholarship website. I have already shared the link in my description where you can go and apply for your application. So in this official website, it is written clearly this question: can I use artificial intelligence or ChatGPT to help me write my application? Okay, this is important because nowadays many candidates, many applicants use AI-based tools to generate their essay, which is not applicable to this Chevening scholarship, because if you are doing that, so your application is going to be rejected. What they are saying about the artificial intelligence or AI-based tool essay. So they are saying using artificial intelligence software to generate answers to Chevening essay questions is strictly prohibited. Okay, applicant must submit their own original work. You must not use someone else's work or present content generated by AI tools like ChatGPT as your own. Doing so violates the Chevening guidelines on plagiarism and fraud. Okay, if your application is found to be fraudulent or copied, it will be disqualified. Chevening uses tools to detect fraud, plagiarism, and AI-generated content in your applications. Okay, and during application, when you're submitting, they are going to ask you that have you used any AI tool based to help you to generate your essay. So this is prohibited. Please do not do this, because many students are not aware of this and they are asking ChatGPT and AI tool based to generate their answers for the questions which are asked by the Chevening Scholarship Selecting Committee. Okay, so how to actually write an essay and what contents or should you include in essay? Let's look into that. Okay, so let's look how to write an English essay. Okay, there are some tips which I'm giving to you here. Let's move on. Number one is be specific. Okay, to the point, specific. Do not include details because the selectors are not interested in your details. Okay, so be specific, be to the point. Okay, that is important for writing in English. Be original. Do not use any tools. Do not use any softwares. Write by yourself. Okay, maybe you use some grammar corrections or something to use Google or something, but do not ask ChatGPT or some AI-based tool to generate a particular answer for your question. Okay, so be original and be relevant. Be specific. And third one is to the point. Same. Do not add more details. Okay, this is strictly prohibited and not allowed, because if you are including your details, it means your chances for selection is very less, because nobody wants more details. To the point, with the specific is very important writing an essay. Use simple words. Okay, sometimes students think that if we use very sophisticated or maybe very good formal words, we have a very good chance to be selected for the selection. But this is not the case actually. If you use simple words to understand, then you have a better chances, because if you are using a simple words, it is also showing that it is written by you. Okay, so be polite. Do not use a very harsh words. Use simple words and simple in order to understanding in a very simple way. Okay. Last one is add recent examples, because in my previous video, I told you that there are several questions. I'm going to tell you in this video as well that there are several questions in the essay for the Chevening. So add recent examples that you have already done. Okay, there are actually several questions that are asked by the selectors in order to write an essay. What are those questions? Well, number one is leadership and influence. So the Chevening scholarships are highly encouraged for those who are already in the position in their career that are in leadership and in using their leadership skills or using their leadership power, they influence their team or their organization, something like this. This scholarship is for them. Okay, so this is number one that you have to include in your essay: leadership and influence. So the future leaders or influencers in their home country. Okay, highlight recent example and show your leadership skills. So highlight the recent examples and show how that influence or how you manage that in using your leadership skills. You have to connect that, okay? Link them. So demonstrate your influence power and connect these in a paragraph so that it can be a readable format, okay? Networking and relationship building, that is another important aspect for essay writing in Chevening. That is a networking and relation. How do you build your network? How you have a power of talking with others, how you create your impression with others, okay? And in your organizations, in your professional career, how you keep maintain your relationship with others. That is important. If you have any experience, recent example, demonstrate that, include that in your essay. So number one is excellent professional relationship building skills. Okay, this is a question, and this is the thing that if you have any professional relationship building skills, if you have any powerful skills to create a network and to create a relationship among your colleagues, do not do include in your essay. Okay, with example, be specific to the point, show your achievements. Okay, the third one is studying in UK because you are writing in a essay for Chevening Scholarship that is in a UK. So you have to give a justification that why you are coming to UK, why you choose UK as your country for further studies. Okay, so why UK? You have to provide one sentence or maybe one short paragraph that why you are coming to UK and why you choose UK university. Make connections, be original again, focus on the course, okay? Because if you're applying for Chevening, you have to select one course in three different university or in one university, three different courses, okay? You have to select three choices for for your application package, okay? So if you are selecting any particular course, of course, when you are applying, why you have chosen that course, what is that course is linked in your professional career or your studies or undergraduate or whatever. You have to focus on that course and you have to justify that, okay, you can have a very good culture, high best universities in the world, they provide good education and so on, but you have to justify that you like UK universities and you want to study because of this and this. Last one is career plan. That is important because Chevening selectors look into you that what is your career plan, okay, and how you achieve that your career goals or your aims or objectives your life once you are selected for this Chevening scholarship. It means that if you are in this scholarship, what benefits you will uh, collect from this scholarship and you will implement in your future career in your home countries. So number one is what will you do after masters? Okay, if you're selected, what is your career goals after this? What is your work plan? You have to define very short your work plan, future plan, your responsibilities in your career, professional career. Because why I'm talking about professional career, because the Chevening looks for those applicants who have already experience, working experience, okay, at least for 2 years or 2,800 working hours, okay. So they look into you that what kind of work you're already doing and what is your responsibilities in your career and how this scholarship is important for your career growth or career aims objectives, okay. Your career goals can how this chevening experience will help you to achieve your career goals. This is the things you have to mention in your essay in a professional and formal way. Do not use complicated and difficult words. Use simple words. Be to the point, specific. Do not use any ChatGPT, any AI-based tool to generate your essay on these questions. So write yourself, correct the structure, show to someone who is expert in the English writing or something, but do not use AI generated softwares. Okay. So this video is all about this to give you the tips about how to write an essay in Chevening Scholarship. I hope best of luck for your applications, which is still open. Thank you so much for watching this video.